We guide you through how to check someone's location in Google Maps and safely and properly using the built-in location sharing feature. To start, open Google Maps on your Android or iPhone and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Then, tap your profile picture in the top right and select location sharing. From here, choose share location, pick how long you want to share it for, and select the person from your contacts. And now, for you to check their location, they must also share their location with you in the same way because Google Maps require mutual permission for location visibility. Once they send you their sharing link or choose your name from their contacts, you'll receive a notification inside Google Maps. Tap it, and you'll instantly see their live location on the map, including movement, battery level, and address they currently near. You can also tap their profile icon to get directions, check the time the location was last updated, or enable notification like notify me when they arrive or leave. Remember, this only works if the person willingly shared their location with you. Google Maps does not allow tracking someone secretly for safety and privacy reasons. After setup, you can return to the location sharing page anytime to view their live location or manage your own sharing settings whenever you need it.